Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite error pack is invalid. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for the Epic Games launcher, then open it. Once Epic Games is open, click on Library from the left side and find Fortnite. Click on the three dots next to Fortnite and select Manage. Under Installation, click on Open Install Location. Now open the Fortnite folder, then open the Content folder. And after that, open the Packs folder. In the top right corner, click on Size to sort files from largest to smallest. Scroll all the way to the bottom and locate the file named global.utalk. If file extensions are hidden, enable them from the View menu. Select this file and all files below it, then delete them. Close the window, go back to Fortnite Manage Settings and click Verify Files. Wait for verification to complete. So that's basically how you can fix Fortnite error pack is invalid. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!